Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to set Google Chrome as your default browser on Windows 11. This will ensure that whenever you click on a link from another application or document, it will automatically open in Chrome instead of Microsoft Edge or any other browser. If you find this guide useful, please consider subscribing. Now, let's get started. To begin, open your Windows settings. You don't need to open Google Chrome for this process. Click on the Windows Start button in your taskbar, and from the menu, select Settings. Alternatively, you can use the search function by typing Settings in the search bar and clicking on the result. Once the Settings window is open, look for the Apps section on the left-hand side and click on it. From there, select Default Apps. This will bring you to a page where you can manage the default apps used for various tasks, including your web browser. Next, locate Google Chrome in the list of apps. You can either scroll down or use the search bar at the top of the page to type Chrome. When Chrome appears in the search results, click on it to open its settings. In the Chrome settings, you'll see an option to make it your default browser. Click on the Set Default button on the right-hand side. However, there's one more thing to ensure Chrome is fully set up as the default browser for all link types. Scroll down within the Chrome default app settings to find the options for HTTP and HTTPS. These are the protocols used by most web links. Click on the small square icon next to HTTP, select Google Chrome from the list of apps that appears, and confirm by clicking Set Default. Repeat this process for HTTPS to ensure all links open in Chrome. Once everything is set, Chrome will be your default browser. You can test it by clicking any web link from an email or another app, and it should open in Chrome instead of Edge or another browser. And that's it! You've successfully made Google Chrome your default browser on Windows 11. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.